This is Adam Rayner for Slingshot World TV. We've got one take because the battery is dying. But I can tell you, the engineer at work in this particular case, here in the Welsh Valleys, is a man I've not known long, but I'm already liking well, Mr. Aaron Coombes. Hello, Aaron. How are you, sir?
Yeah, good.
And you're particularly upset that I've invaded your man cave while you haven't had a chance to tidy it up, haven't you?
I know. I've been busy making my own catapults, and you invaded me
mid-make, and you haven't had a chance to tidy or nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, the reason I've driven all the way from London is because you very luckily got in at exactly the right moment on the Simpleshot website to buy the limited edition. Is it the LT and the Ocularis?
It is that.
Show us.
Pure luck. I have the older version of the LT.
Let's have a look at that one.
And there you go. Beautiful bit of engineering. I like the old version, and I was only on there looking to buy the clips that you see on the back. And it popped up that the Pro versions had just come in and for sale.
Yes.
And I took a look, and I've got a bit of a habit that...
you went shopping?
Yeah.
Oh, and the other one.
And the Ocularis I've never used, but when I seen it, again the design.
Oops, sorry, had your face
and the colour, I love the colour.
Oh, I just dropped the plug out, the ball out, the plug there. Don't pop it back. They have a nice heft to them. They're made out of an anodised aluminium, are they not?
Yeah, and my engineering background kind of plays a part, and as we've already spoken about, there were certain elements to these that I just
had to own.
Had to, yeah.
Yes.
So even though I went onto their website purely for just these holders,
as soon as that popped up, you had to buy it, and you discovered that you were in there in the precise window when they were released, and that 2 minutes later they were gone, and other people trying to buy them from you.
Yeah, which I've only been in the catapult world then for about a month, and I enjoy the making and everything else. I'm okay at shooting, and I was just browsing for materials to make more bands, which I also do because I know they've got premium latex. And just like every tackle shop I've walked into in the past, I came out not with just what I wanted, but...
Yeah, this is a man who has Harrison custom rods. Daiwa Basher reels. He's an engineer, which makes it all the cooler. And when I got in touch with you asking to take photographs, you thought I was just somebody trying to buy them from you.
Yeah, because I'd had a lot of messages from America of people, some quite depressed because they wanted to invest and put money into them and collect them, but they got in touch with me and said how they'd all sold out. Then when you contact me along with others that were trying to purchase them,
yes, you were a bit startled and went, "You're all right, mate," and you very kindly didn't ban them and left them packed so I could take me pictures.
Yeah, I didn't want that dreaded pocket to be on the actual magazine pics.
Not as if you were going to do that, of course.
But I've been itching to use them, and the first thing I'm going to do is band them up and put them to good use.
Bloody brilliant. Aaron, thank you so much, and thank you for letting me invade your man cave here.
No problem.
So here we have the fabulous limited edition. Don't know when they're coming back again. You can't buy one right now because they're all gone. Simpleshot, and they come with the case, the bands, the fabulous little Pro doodah there. Oh, little ammo thing. It's a hell of a set. Aaron, thank you so much. This is Mr. Aaron Coombes and Adam Rayner signing out for Slingshot World TV. Thanks.
No problem, thank you.